Okay, everybody, welcome back. I looked at the quizzes that you guys took yesterday and noticed that you didn't do very well on it. So I wanted to do a little short review today and do another practice with it. This says, during health class, the students reported the number of times they ate fast food last month. Okay, this right here is my line plot. It's a graph that has all the information that you need on it. The title, eating fast food each month or last month. It's going to tell me the number of people that ate fast food last month, right? Because that's what the title says it's about. Down here, and I want to change color because I like it when it's something you can see better. Down here it says they ate 0 times, they ate 1 time, 2 times, or 3 times. How many times did they eat fast food last month? Well, 2 people right here ate fast food 0 times. How many people ate fast food 1 time? None. There's nothing there. Nobody ate fast food only 1 time last month. How many times do people eat fast food 2 times last month? Well, 3 people ate fast food 2 times last month. And then it says how many ate 3 times last month? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people ate fast food 3 times last month. So, what we can do to find out how many people they recorded, well, these little X's are the number of people that voted or whatnot. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 people answered this survey when they asked, how many times did you eat fast food last month? 9 people answered. And that's how we read that graph. Now the question says, how many students ate fast food fewer, that means less than 2 times? Well, here's 2 times, so we're going to go like this. How many people ate fewer than 2 times? Well, nobody ate 1 time, and 2 people ate 0 times. So we're going to say 2 students ate fewer than 9 times. Here's my hint. If we count all the X's in the columns for 0 and 1, there are 2 X's. That means 2 students ate fast food fewer than 2 times. All right, so you kind of understanding better? Let's try the next. Okay, here is the information that we are looking at up here at the top. A librarian figured out how many books were checked out by students last week. And then they put all the information into a line plot that's easy for you to understand. Here's my title. That will tell you what information is being recorded. So the title says, checking out books from the library. Okay, and down here says the number of books checked out. So this means if you go to the library and you check out 1 book, then you would be in that column of people. If you checked out 2 books, you'd be in that column of people. If you checked out 3 books, then you would be with that column of people, and so on and so on. So now that we know what this means, books checked out, then this down here on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, that's not the people. The people are the X's, right? Those are the people. So they want to know how many people checked out how many books from the library last month. So how many students were there in all? We're not going to count these down here. There's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students. That's not what that number represents. That number represents the books checked out. So the people are all of the X's in there. So I'm going to let you figure it out, and then I'm going to see if you get the same answer I do. Go ahead and pause and see if you can get the same answer I do. I got 32 students. 32 students checked out books from the library. Okay, is that what you got? All right, let's try the next one. Okay, here's the information we're looking at. Mr. Goodman, the English teacher, had his students track the number of books they read. Okay, this down here aren't his students. Those are the books read. So some of those people read 0 books. Some read 1 book, some read 2 books, 3 books, 4 books, 5 books, and 6 books. Think about it. Where would you put your X? How many books did you read last month? Okay, now the question says, how many students read exactly 1 book last month? Well, it is exactly 1 book would be right here in that column. How many students read exactly 1 book? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 students read exactly 1 book last month. Okay, I hope I've clarified it some. I'm hoping that you guys will do better on today's assignment. If you have questions, please contact me. I'd be happy to help you. Okay, talk to you tomorrow.